how to travel with kids and tips and tricks. Traveling with kids to Samoa? Here's how to ensure a stress-free vacation. 1. Plan ahead. Research and create a kid-friendly itinerary. Remember to pack light, breathable clothes and essentials like sunscreen and hats. 2. Choose child-friendly accommodation. Opt for hotels with pools or resorts with kids' clubs. For a local touch, consider a homestay. 3. Embrace Samoa's culture. Engage in activities like traditional handicrafts and respect local customs, like the quiet Sundays. 4. Dive into outdoor adventures. Explore waterfalls and coral reefs, but always prioritize your children's safety with the right gear. 5. Taste the local cuisine. Introduce your kids to Samoan dishes like taro and fresh seafood at markets or restaurants. 6. Be flexible. Adjust plans if kids are tired and have backup activities for rainy days or unexpected changes. 7. Pack entertainment. Keep kids busy during travels with books, games, and devices. 8. Use local transportation. Save money and immerse in the culture by taking the colorful, music-filled Samoan buses. 9. Learn some Samoan. Simple phrases like talofa, hello, can enhance your family's experience. 10. Take time to relax. Enjoy Samoa's laid-back vibe and create lasting memories with your family. In conclusion, with these tips, your family trip to Samoa can be an unforgettable adventure. Happy travels!